Today's video we are going to build and reset system and reset password system. How we can reset our passwords, email password using a token that is generated by the uh, our backend system that will be sent to the email. Means email needed, email verification code is needed for the resetting the token password. So let's go through the our project healthcare copilot. In this I have implemented this feature. So suppose I have my email ID is this and I forgot the password like this and I want to reset password. So I will click the forward password button and name the email, enter the email, send reset token button. Now it will call our backend service to send the token, generate a token and send it to the Gmail. So it will take 2 to 5 second time because API latency increases when we try to send a simple mail transfer protocol. So our token is sent to the email and we should check the email. Then we will check email. You can see we have successfully generated our token and it's 12:52 and 12:51 pay. Here is our code. So as you can see our token is this. We will copy this token and it's valid for 10 minutes. And now paste the token here and we can log in successfully. It is validated, the token is verified and now we can continue to reset password. So as you can see, we have our new panel, new password, and we should enter the password and, and our password is successfully reset. So, um, so as you can see, we have successfully logged into the user. So this will be the whole feature of our healthcare appointment and record system, health system, and how it reset the password in the backend. So when we click to forward password, it will navigate to the forgot password page. Here we need to enter our email and after entering the email, when we click send token button, it will go to the controller, authentication controller, and authentication controller will accept an email. This endpoint and method API will be get called and it will have the request body of forgot password DTO and we will check what this forgot password DTO has and it will have see it has the email in it and it will be verified and it should be email, it is validations like this. And now request will go to the forgot password service and this service will be calling the forgot password service method and service method we have that is forgot password and it will call this one method. It will call this method. It will accept an email. After email acceptance, it will use a logger to SSL4 logger to log the informations. It will find the user that is connected to the email and forgot password entity with user entity. So if it is, does not found, it will return an error and it will extract the role. If the role is not a doctor, not a patient, it will return simple password reset is only available for patients and doctor. Means someone try to reset the password of admin, it cannot. It is just null. It is safety check, and then it will delete the previous token if it is already a generated token. And now here it will generate a UID token and reset token. It will take a reset token entity object and save it to the entity, save it to the table. Then after saving, it will send an email to our simple mail transport Java mail sender. Then it will send the email. Then simply it will generate a token. So that is the workflow of token generation. After token generation, we will call the verify reset button, reset token. So how it will verify? It will take the token and email. By the email, it will find the token from here, and user will be find that is connected to the token entity. Then after it is not if the verification is failed, it will return the false. And how it will check the validate or not? It will validate in three main filters. First one is to check the user that the specific email is related to the specific token. And then second in one, it will check the token is already used or not. If it is used, don't just return the false and check the expiry date means expiration time. It is If it is expired means 10 minutes after, it will return the false and simply return true if all succeed. Now next part is comes is reset password. Reset password is to accept the token and the new password. Token is to verify the token and reset password is to reset the password. It here it will check the expiry time and used it is already used or not. It will check the reset. It will create a user using the reset token find. It will find the user and update the passwords and save into the repo the user and reset token set used means it cannot be used after someone wants to use it. So we have successfully this will be the whole flow of our reset password token. In the next videos we are going to integrate the payment gateway in our application. Payment